Right, I'm opening my letter. My wax didn't work. Oh my gosh. This poem was sent to me by a very close friend during drama school many moons ago, and never really appreciated its meaning and profound significance until lockdown. I want to share it to show my gratitude to you, and everything around us. Anam Cara, which means soul friend in Gaelic. To reach satisfaction in all, desire in its possession in nothing, to come to possess all, desire the possession of nothing. To arrive at being all, desire to be nothing. To come to the knowledge of all, desire the knowledge of nothing. To come to be what you are not, you must go by a way in which you are not. By John O'Donoghue. The next poem by Allen Ginsberg is what I'm most looking forward to have craved desperately whilst being, isolated in my mind and body. It highlights our raw desires as humans, albeit in a tricky world. Love conquers, it always will. Thank you. Now sing PTO. The weight of the world is love, under the burden of solitude, under the burden of dissatisfaction. The weight we carry is here. Who can deny? In dreams, it touches the body in thought, constructs a miracle in imagination, anguishes till born in human. Looks out of the heart, burning with purity, for the burden of life is love, but we carry the weight wearily, and so must rest in the arms of love at last, must rest in the arms of love. No rest without love, no sleep without dreams of love. Be mad or chill, obsessed with angels or machines, the final wish is here. Cannot be bitter, cannot deny, cannot withhold if denied. The weight is too heavy. Must give for no return, as thought is given in solitude in all the excellence of its excess. The warm bodies shine together in the darkness. The hand moves to the centre of the flesh, the skin trembles in happiness, and the soul comes joyful to the eye. Yes, yes, that's what I wanted. I always wanted to return to the body where I was born. San Jose, 1954. Apologies for my writing, Jenny. You can find the poems online if you need them clearer. I enjoyed your scroll. Also, I know these don't quite fit the brief, but it's what came to me when I closed my eyes and thought about what I'd come to learn and want to thank. Kiss F, kiss. Oh, I want to know your name. Thank you. Your writing is beautiful. I'll show you. And also, did you stain your parchment? Because I'm very impressed. If so, mine was much whiter than this. Beautiful writing. Beautiful. Thank you.